Hey guys, so today we're going to flatten our stubborn belly fat with direct abs exercise to burn calorie and strengthen our core, and also do some HIIT cardio to lose those lingering fat. But first of all, we need to establish some fundamental technique to guide us through this workout. Some people will do this where their lower backs comes way off the mat every time you crunch. No, do not do this. You need to elongate your spine. Your lower back is touching the yoga mat at all times, even though you cannot lower your legs as much as your YouTube instructors do. So, do not do this. So, core is in. Alright, the first move, both legs bend, upper back up, and try to lift your butt while elongating your spine. So this is not like a bridge. This is going to warm up your lower abs. Yes, next we're going to do some leg lifts. You can put both of your hands under your booty. Low back stays pressed on the mat, and go low as you can without lifting your lower back. For advanced option, you can lift your upper back off the floor. Yeah, great job. Next, we're going to stay on our elbow and do alternate bend and straighten with both of your legs. Again. Do not do this. Keep your core control and use your abs. Okay, you guys, next we're going to kick as low as you can and crunch to your chest. Keeping your core tight, do not swing your lower back. Engage your thigh for maximum burn. Great job, you guys. Next, we are still in the same position. controlling our core, lifting both of our legs, and do some scissor moves. Let's go. Do not do this. No. Engage your core, elongate your spine and lower back, and do as slow as you can without compromising those techniques. Good job. Alright, next we are going to do what is up reverse crunch. We're going to lift our booty while kicking our legs to the back. Exhale whenever you crunch or do a sit-up throughout this workout. Exhale. Inhale. Good job. Yup, next we are still in the reverse crunch, reverse and sit up. So this is going to increase our range of motion. Don't forget to exhale when you do the reverse crunch on the back. Yes, next move, we are still on our elbows and we're gonna do straight bend left, straight bend right. Don't forget to exhale when your knees are closing towards your chest. Keep your core engaged. Please do not sacrifice your lower back for poor technique. Okay guys, so we're on to our HIIT session. We're gonna do some jumping jacks. You can do the regular jumping jacks, but my shoulders are a bit in recovery right now. I had some minor injuries. So if you're a beginner, you can do this instead. If you are not a beginner, just do normal jumping jacks. Alright you guys, next we are going to do some side run and then touch the floor. Side run opposite side, touch the floor. This is it you guys. Burn those stubborn belly fat which is not good for our health. Keep on going, be strong, and don't forget to inhale and exhale throughout. Yes guys, next we are going to squat and jump. Squat a bit wide and jump close. Yes. Increase those heart rates. Keep our thighs toned. Good job. Alright guys, next we are going to do some stretching to the back and crunch. Exhale at the front. So stretch, tuck your knee and exhale. Do this one side for 45 seconds. Just a little bit more you guys. Yes. Let's go on the other side while catching our breath. Yeah. This is gonna tone our booty as well as our stability. Don't forget to exhale when you tuck your knee. If you fall or if you wobble, just keep on going. You can do this. Just focus on your goal and on your body. Yeah guys, next we are going to do some 5 ab twist. 5 left and 5 on the right. Keep your core engaged and squeeze those abs, those side abs. Do it with power and strength. Yes, good job, you guys. Awesome job. Next, we are going to do some poses for cooling down purposes. First, we are going to do some Sphinx pose. Open your chest. Elongate your abs that has been contracting numerous of times in this workout. Stay here and breathe long. And do some child's pose to release your lower back that may or may not be stiff from the previous moves. And then put your hands a little bit forward to deepen the stretch and do some puppy pose. A little bit forward and deepen the stretch. So thank you very much for doing this with me. I hope you had a blast and see you on my next videos.